The BioPark Regensburg GmbH supports with a technology center and a certified cluster startups, companies and institutes from the fields of biotechnology, medical engineering, diagnostics, the pharmaceutical industry, and the healthcare sectors. The development potential of the BioRegio Regensburg has been analyzed in regular location analyses. The result is today the second largest biotechnology center and the second most important network of its kind in Bavaria after Munich. The close proximity to the university, the East Bavarian Institute of Technology, the University Medical Center, the Leibniz Institute for Immunotherapy, the Tech Base and the Tech Campus, short distances to the clusters of excellence in Munich and Erlangen-Nuremberg give the companies that are based here decisive advantages in the areas of logistics, research and development. Furthermore, the region is a highly innovative and well-connected healthcare location with 5 clinics and 110,000 patients annually. BioPark Regensburg combines promising technologies with the economic and administrative center of Eastern Bavaria and the vibrant UNESCO World Heritage Site of the historic city of Regensburg. Therefore, our motto is location for science and quality of life. A successful example of a spin-off from the University of Regensburg to the BioPark has been the company GeneArt. The company is now developed into a global market leader in the field of gene synthesis and is a sought-after pioneer of synthetic biology. The main milestones have been the IPO and the constant expansion in the BioPark and the Gewerbepark Regensburg as part of the US group Thermo Fisher Scientific. Innovative technology for targeted genome modification comes from Regensburg, for example, to research Alzheimer's or develop new vaccines. The company Presense is another example of a successful university spin-off. The company develops and produces very successful products in the field of biosensors. Presense global customer base today includes the food and beverage industry, scientific research and development, as well as supporting biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies in optimizing their bioprocess development. It also has developed through collaborations with medical technology manufacturers, in addition in the field of OEM products for medical engineering. The company Numaris Health was also founded as a spin-off from the University of Regensburg and develops and markets test systems for human diagnostics. Based on nuclear magnetic resonance technology, the diagnostic test procedure analyzes the patient's individual metabolic images with the help of innovative software solutions and artificial intelligence. The results provide valuable information about the development, extent, and severity of diseases. They enable improved therapy options with high patient safety and cost efficiency. The Fraunhofer ITEM project group has set itself the goal of researching minimal residual cancers. Treatment options are being developed to counteract the future occurrence of systematic metastases. Among other things, therapeutic antibodies are employed that use nanoparticles to target the tumor. The bundling of methodological and disease-related competencies between the Fraunhofer Society and the Institute for Clinical Chemistry and Laboratory Medicine at the University of Regensburg accelerates the development and market launch of innovative therapeutic procedures. The BioPark is the ideal environment to turn the research results of the universities at the Regensburg location into products. With the annual BioPark Innovation Prizes, the BioPark supports the best application-oriented research work at Regensburg's universities. In the BioPark and Brain Network startup, successful entrepreneurs share their knowledge with young teams. The entire region offers enormous potential, with a strong medium-sized sector in the areas of medical engineering, pharmaceuticals, and diagnostics. Why is it not possible for biotechnology companies to establish just anywhere becomes clear in the basement. A gigantic filter system is constantly cleaning the air of the buildings. Every laboratory needs a clean working environment. The same principle holds true for the water. Before and after each usage, it has to be cleaned and monitored. Strict regulations ensure that no polluted or toxic substances can harm our environment. The BioPark offers numerous safety standards. This includes an emergency power supply, an access control system, video monitoring, server rooms, and an up-to-date fiber optic cable network. The in-house daycare center, Bambioni, is for the important reconciliation of working life and family life. In the last location analysis, the BioPark and the actors in the cluster, with the support of the state of Bavaria, defined the opportunities and potential in the healthcare sector for the first time. The resulting master plan created the Healthcare Regensburg initiative and brand, which has since then specifically promoted projects in this industry to further develop it in Regensburg and the region. The most recent project, BioPark Jump, is a healthcare accelerator program to support startups and companies with specific issues such as certification, reimbursement, or clinical evidence relating to regulatory affairs. The BioPark Regensburg is celebrating its 25th anniversary in 2024, and the balance sheet as a company in the city of Regensburg is impressive. During this period, we were able to triple our laboratory space, establish 29 companies, and support 71 startups. The number of companies in the cluster tripled, and the number of jobs increased tenfold during this time. In total, the companies in the BioPark have so far invested 839 million euros in the local life sciences. Of this, 242 million euros are in venture capital, 414 million euros in equity capital, and 183 million euros funding. The healthcare industry at the location is also booming. With 23,500 employees, the number has increased by 45% since 2011 and is clearly on a growth path. The total turnover of all companies in this industry almost doubled to 2.9 billion euros during this period. There is no better way to invest into the future. With the foundation of the BioPark, biotechnology, life sciences, and the healthcare sectors are very dynamically developed into their own economic sectors in Regensburg. Renowned, globally active companies have emerged in this location. Thanks to consistent location marketing, in cooperation with the promotion of trade and industry of the city of Regensburg, it was possible to increase the international visibility of the location and network the companies and institutes in the region with each other. Whatever the future might have in store, we are well prepared.